I have not seen a Legend in so long.
I was originally trying to do an air ride on this.
Well, Honda, but it's still a Legend.
Had to go into and
right-hand drive. Yo, this is sick. Oh, they call it an Inspire over there, which is the Acura Legend over here. Oh, this is a Legend right here. Acura Legend Coupe. This is the original jump. Everybody used to love these cars. These two cars right here. Well, the American version, but everybody loved these cars. Oh, man.
You seen the R32, the four-door? I mean...
Yeah, I've seen the four-door ones.
That car is sick. And there was an S13 with a super engine on it. A
Really?
drift car.
Oh, that's dope. Oh, it's got a V7 here. Supercharged. What is it, a V8? Yup. Or yeah, V8.
Supercharged or turbo? Yeah, it's a turbo.
Supercharged. Yeah, that's the supercharger right there. Yeah. Alpina B7. You don't see a lot of these, to be honest.
Have you seen the GT3 that
Got this clean ass 911 Turbo S. Ooh, these wheels are sick. It goes so well with the rotors.
Ford has a full interior, and FPJ doesn't. When you buy FPJ, you get no.
This thing is definitely lowered.
I just found out. That's why everybody buy the FPJ.
This thing is clean. Well, I like that one over there. That color. You got a GSF. I don't think I've ever really seen these things really on the road. I like this orange caliper thing that they got going on. It's gray carbon fiber steering wheel. It's dope though. 4-sterner wheels, carbon fiber lip. Then we got an LC500. You got this red interior. You definitely don't see these a lot anymore. I forgot what these are called. Fibers? No, not fibers. It's a 6-speed manual, I think, or 5-speed manual. I know it's a Pontiac, I think. Yeah, I think it's a Firebird. I don't know. Then we got a 280Z over here. These things are clean. Kept it simple. We got this Ford F100. This is dope. Oh, it's got a 5.0 Coyote motor in it. What in the world? You know this thing moves. No AC though. Oh yeah. That's dope.
Thank you. I actually have one. I had a small one in there. It's not very big. You know that? I actually don't think I did it.
We got a Bugatti Chiron pulling up. This sick. Oh, this thing is so sick. Fuck. Like, yo, this thing right here with the wheels, the calipers. Oh my gosh, the color match.
It's fucking perfect.
The color match is amazing. And the lights. Oh my gosh.
Nice car, man. Like, can you rev it a little bit or not?
Yes, like I'm waiting for a rev. Damn.
Headlights. I like headlights.
Yeah, the headlights are sick.
I like headlights in the front grill. That shit's hard.
The E63S is back over here. Then we got Tim.
Oh, we went to the.
Got the infamous Tim's Enthusiast Garage.
We had to go to the, got the Kimi Räikkönen, the OG Kimi Räikkönen.
Link will be in the description.
What up, bro? What's up?
He brought the Alpha out.
Are they both here?
Yeah, they're in my car.
Oh, that's
The AC
exciting.
on.
Yeah.
Got my dream car over here. It's a 4.0 though. This color is insane. Oh my gosh. This camera does no justice.
Which one is yours? It's not. You can't see it here. Yeah, that's even.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we got a T-Rex over here. These are like classic motorcycles. It's got a Yoshimura exhaust on it. Oh, these things are classics, man. This is sick. So it's been a really cool day. Well, not cool. I mean, it's hot as hell, but it's been a cool day of seeing different cars and stuff. I'm about to leave here, and then later on, there is. Why is he redlining his bike like that? There's a meet at Grove City that I'm gonna go to later on at like 5. Just get some exposure on the car and stuff. You know, try and get some subs and views and stuff. Just like that, basically. But yeah. So we got a volunteer that's gonna start. Just press it.
Where's your
on the side?
mode button?
Hit M2 twice.
I always put it in sport mode before I turn on BMW.
And then yeah, I mean. Gosh, that shit is so loud. That shit is so loud. Yeah, go ahead and rev it. We got a 340 with the M Performance exhaust. This thing sounds so mean. That dude is loving the M4 right now.
I need an M4. I need an M4. Fuck a C63. I'm getting one of these bitches, dude.
I want to drive one before, like, I say fuck a C63. I still want a C63.
C63, dude. Oh.
I still want one. I just feel like because it weighs more, like, that's why you're not getting, like, the full experience.
Now you see.
He's biting his finger like he's biting his finger like, yo.
God, I'm about to buy that M4.
He about to get pulled over during the test drive.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a dope car. And it won't let you downshift if you're going too fast, or it won't let you upshift if you're going too slow.
Oh shit!
This is like straight up like a manual. These brakes
Yeah.
are so touchy.
These carbon ceramics are touchy. Watch that rear end. I think it's because it's like not a 9,000 RPM kind of car. We're about to drive the Q50S. Oh, you just got it? I didn't even know that.
Yeah, I got it in March, but I haven't been able to go to the
dealer. I mean yeah. We're about to drive a Q50S.
Hey.
Yo.
Jason. Oh, of course, your boyfriend.
I've heard like mixed reviews about this, like the steering wheel, because it's like a magnetic steering wheel or something like that. It's not like a real drive shaft or whatever they call it.
No, not in these. Those were in the 37s. Those were in the previous model.
Oh, okay, so this is like a real.
Yeah.
Okay.
So get you content out here. Just driving cars.
Manual for you. You can use paddle shifters.
Is it in Sport Plus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is it in right now? This one.
This is the same thing too. So if you don't shift, it'll.
Yeah.
Go ahead, floor.
would definitely upgrade the shifting though. Like
I am.
it lags a little bit.
It does. It's not a dual clutch, sadly.
Oh really?
But yeah, there's
okay.
One of the tunes.
Gosh.
Welcome to the twin turbo life, not so.
Oh man. It's like a different kind of pull compared to my car.
Yeah.
Like
It's nuts, huh?
yeah, it's like a different kind of pull. And it's all-wheel drive, so it's like no lagging, like traction.
Yeah.
All right, so we definitely did not get a good result for this 4th CARMEET at Grove City, but I guess I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. But other than that, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment.